Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. Today I've got a really fun Dollar Tree DIY for us. We're going to be doing a ZGallerie dupe. And what you'll need is you'll need two of these candle holders from Dollar Tree, and then a pair of these candle holders. And these are just tea light holders. And you're going to need a pack of these little disposable plastic champagne glasses from Dollar Tree. You can use some E6000 on this, or you can use just some hot glue on this. And you're going to need some masking tape, and then this mirror effect spray paint. You'll need this, or if you don't have this, you can always use silver spray paint if you have some of that in your stash. But I'm going to be using this to try and replicate a really high shine. And so, yeah, these are the items that you'll need. So let's get started. And we're going to start by taping off the outside of these little tea light holders, because I'm going to spray it right here in the inside so that you can get a really high reflective shine on the outside. So I'm just going to start taping it off with the masking tape. And then once I'm done taping these off, I'll take them outside, spray them real quick, let them dry, and then I'll bring it back in, and then we'll go ahead and get started assembling the ZGallerie tea lights. Okay guys, now I've got this all taped off in the back, so I'm going to go out and spray paint these. And once the spray paint is dry, then I'll come back in so we can go ahead and get the project started. We're going to be doing a dupe for the ZGallerie Post-it tea light, and I'll insert above here a iCard or a picture so you can see what that is. Okay, everything is dry on here, you guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and peel this tape off. So this project is super simple and so inexpensive to make. They both turned out beautifully. You've got all that beautiful reflective quality in there. Now, this is where it comes together pretty simply. So what you need here is one of these feet from the champagne flute. I'm just going to take these. You're going to need two. Now, you can use E6000 for this if you'd like to build a permanent bond with this. Or you can just use some hot glue. And I'm going to try it with hot glue first to see how it works. If it works fine, then I'll continue to use that. But if I see that it's not going to be stable enough, we're not going to be able to hold this tea light holder on there, then I'll switch to the E6000. But I'm going to try hot glue first. You just want to add just not a huge dollop, but a pretty good dollop. Just like that. And then you're going to take your candle holder, just like that, and you are just going to sit this down gently inside, just like that. Isn't that gorgeous? Now, this is something that you could do for a bridal shower or for a wedding, and you can do 6 of these for $10. 6 of these globes for $10. You can do that. How pretty is this going to be on a bridal shower table? If you have a glam theme going, on a wedding table, how pretty is that? And just drop your little tea lights down in there. If you're doing like an evening party outdoors in early spring, wouldn't that be beautiful? Running right down a long table, sitting outside in the evening, be just gorgeous. And put some tea lights in there, it'd just be beautiful. But yeah, and that is the ZGallerie dupe that I have for you guys this week. So I'm going to go ahead and get started showing you some different vignettes on how you can stage these in your home. Well, there you have it, guys. A simple, beautiful glam DIY project. I hope you guys will give this easy DIY a try. I'd like to thank each of you for stopping by Cozy Casita. You're always welcome. If you like these kinds of DIYs, share them with your friends. And also, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so you don't miss any of the future uploads. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.